Great news, guys. I'm not just drawing one, but I'm drawing two of Pokemon's mythical Pokemon. Yeah, big surprise, huh? I know you wanted to see me do this. It's been a while. Now let's get started. So, first up, I'm drawing phionie. Phionie is gather in large groups as they drift with the currents through warm seas. After floating for a long time, they always return home, no matter how far they have traveled. So basically, his attacks are Bubble, Water Sport, Charm, Supersonic, Bubble Beam, Acid Armor, Whirlpool, Water Pulse, Aqua Ring, and Rain Dance. There's his face. Okay, there's his head. There we go. That takes care of him. Now let's draw Manaphy. There he is. Manaphy, known as the seafaring Pokemon. From its earliest days, Manaphy has possessed the power to form and close bonds with any Pokemon, no matter what kind. His attacks are Tail Glow, Bubble, Water Sport, Charm, Supersonic, Bubble Beam, Acid Armor, Whirlpool, Water Pulse, Aqua Ring, Dive, Rain Dance, and Heart Swap. What kind of attack is that? Now we just draw the antennas on his head. Let's go. Whee. There we go. As you must know, phionie and Manaphy are both water types.
This has to be shut. Do you know how expensive it is to run this house to keep it cool?
I did shut the door. Okay, now it's time to draw this bark here. And finally, here's her arm. There! That's how you draw phionie and Manaphy. These are some awesome Pokemon. So, what's your favorite Pokemon? Which one of these mythical Pokemon do you prefer? Phionie or Manaphy? Leave a comment below. And make sure you like and rock and subscribe to this channel. And now, would you excuse me, I'm off to the beach. Stegosaurus, see you later!